Hey guys, today I'm giving a paint review on Valspar's Perfect White paint. If you're looking for a clean, bright white paint color, this review is for you. I'm Dori with the blog Dori Turner Interiors, where I share DIY home decor ideas on a budget that you can easily recreate in your own home. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button. All the links that I mentioned in this video can be found down below in the description box. Also, I want to give you a copy of my free ebook featuring 10 DIY projects that you can easily create in your own home. Get a copy by clicking the link below. So let's talk white paint. You would think that choosing a white paint color for your home would be easy, but have you ever stood inside a hardware store looking at all the paint cards of all the different shades of white? There are bright whites and creamy whites, whites with blue undertones, white with yellow undertones. There's all kinds of different shades of just the color of white. So how do you know which one to choose? Valspar Perfect White takes the guesswork out of picking the best white paint color for your project. Valspar has developed the ideal shade of white for the majority of home interior and exterior projects. Here are some of my favorite features of this paint. The first one is that it's the ideal white shade of paint. This shade of white is a bright, clean white that will give your space a fresh feel. With no noticeable undertones, it really is the perfect white shade. My second favorite feature is that it's a paint and primer in one with an amazing durability and high quality finish. The third reason I love this paint is because it was designed to be used on your exterior and interior projects, so it's very versatile. Another reason is that it comes in two finishes. You can get it in semi-gloss or in satin, so you can use it anywhere: walls, trims, cabinets, and more. Valspar Perfect White is mixed and ready to go. No more standing in a long line of people wanting to have their paint mixed. You can just pull it off the shelf and head to checkout. So how do I know so much about Valspar Perfect White? Well, I've used this paint in multiple areas of my home in both finishes, semi-gloss and satin, and I can tell you from experience that not only does the white shade look beautiful in my home, but it also stands the test of time. I first used it in the satin finish to paint the DIY board and batten here in our entryway. You can check out that DIY here. It's been over 3 years and it still looks great. I liked the color so much that I decided to use it again in our bathroom renovation. We installed a vertical shiplap on the walls and then painted it in the semi-gloss finish with the Valspar Perfect White. We also used the Valspar Perfect White in the same finish for the trim and baseboards in the bathroom. This is our kids' bathroom, and after 2 years of use, the walls and trim still look amazing. I've even had to clean toothpaste and dirt off the walls, and it wipes right off, leaving behind that pretty white shade. Valspar Perfect White is arguably the best interior white paint color, taking the guesswork out of choosing the right shade and making it easy to grab and go. It gets an A+ for durability. I know you'll love this paint as much as I do. As always, thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button and we will see you in the next video.